The Hot Wheels Street Wiener. Fast food meets fast wheels. Few Hot Wheels cars make people smile quite like the Street Wiener. First released in 2017, this playful creation is a perfect example of Hot Wheels humor. A car that doesn't take itself too seriously, but still brings real imagination and detail to the track. The Street Wiener looks exactly like its name suggests, a hot dog on wheels. Its design features a chrome bun-shaped body, complete with a sizzling sausage running down the middle and a bright squiggle of mustard on top. The driver's seat sits right at the rear, with a little steering wheel nestled behind the giant Frankfurter. Some versions even come with tongs or grill details that make it look ready for a barbecue race. But don't let the joke fool you. This is still a genuine Hot Wheels performer. The Street Wiener was engineered to run smoothly on standard orange tracks, with low, fast-rolling wheels and a balanced base. Kids love its wacky look, while collectors appreciate its originality. It's appeared in multiple series over the years, including Fast Foodie, Tuned, and HW Ride-Ons, and has been released in a range of bright color variations, from ketchup red to relish green. Designed by Ryu Asada, one of Hot Wheels' most beloved creators, the Street Wiener captures his trademark mix of creativity, humor, and precision. It's part of a long Hot Wheels tradition of turning everyday objects into racing machines, whether that's a toaster, a Bathmobile, or in this case, a giant hot dog. The Street Wiener reminds everyone why Hot Wheels has stayed popular for more than 50 years, because speed and fun go hand in hand. Whether you're racing it down the track or laughing at its clever design, this little hot dog proves that sometimes the best cars are the ones that make you hungry for more. The 2025 edition of the Hot Wheels Street Wiener keeps the fun spirit of the original, but adds a spicy new flavor. This year's version rolls out with a light tan body that looks like a toasted bun, and a bright red, spicy dog theme splashed across the sides. The top of the car still features the classic mustard and ketchup swirl, a playful nod to backyard cookouts and track day laughs. The chassis is black metal, the interior compact and rear-mounted like a tiny race pod, and the wheels are designed for fast, smooth performance on orange tracks. Even with its comic design, the Street Wiener remains a solid performer, part of the Fast Foodie series, where everyday objects turn into wild racing machines. It's a perfect mix of humor and horsepower, a collectible that reminds fans that Hot Wheels is about imagination as much as speed. The 2025 Street Wiener doesn't just race, it serves up a full helping of fun on four wheels.